What up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna like explain, I don't know, I'm just gonna go over the suspension setup I have on my car. For those that don't know, I have the iBock Pro dampering suspension on this, and it's lowered 1.25 inches. The reason why I didn't like lower it to like 2 inches is where I live is there's a bunch of potholes. Oh my god, I just dropped my phone. There's a bunch of potholes, and when you hit them, it'll bottom out and you'll crack your bumper, stuff like that. But yeah, that's the reason. Also, you know, if you're in a straight line, the car will still like squat and get grip, even though I have Mickey Thompson tires, which are like 315 wide, 315 millimeters wide. But yeah, I'm just gonna go over mostly the main things about the suspension and what I like and what I hate about it for the most part. So kind of a review type video, but not really. I don't know, I'm just gonna see what happens. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this GoPro on my head and I'll just start talking. So so I got the GoPro on my head and I'm just gonna drive into town because I need to get snacks for tomorrow's video. I'm going to Pomona Raceway, and I think it's the top fuel cars that are running tomorrow, so it should be pretty fun. Oh, I just bought the freaking GoPro. The car's a little dirty right now, so excuse that. I usually wash every week, depending on if I'm going to a car show or not. But anyways, I'll start things off with like number one that I guess like I love about the suspension. It handles really well around corners, canyon runs. You'll do fine. It eliminates the stock sway, like the body roll of the car from the factory is just crazy. Like it's like a Crown Vic going around corners. So that's how much it sways around. Not only that, is it's stiffer. It's a lot stiffer, which is good and bad. It is good because I mean you'll handle a lot better and eliminates body roll, and you get more grip and traction. But the downside is if you're like daily driving it, I mean it's a good daily driver suspension setup, but like if you hit something kind of hard, like a little bump or a pothole, it'll jolt you. Not like aggressively, but like you'll notice it. Alright, pull out on here. So I installed the suspension myself, and it was not very hard. The front could be a little tricky if you don't be like, if you're doing it in your garage, it's kind of tricky. A lift helps. If you have access to a lift, that helps a lot. I did the rear on the lift, and it was pretty simple. The only thing with the front is you basically like have to take off the whole. You have to like drop the lower control arm so you can put the spring in, because or the strut in, I should say, and the spring. But basically that's like kind of the hard part. You need like a pry bar, stuff like that, to really get that, like to get the spring in. But that's like the only thing with the front. And with the rear, it's a little bit like easier, I should say, because it's a straight axle. You basically I did one side at a time on a lift. So basically you take off your wheels, you take off your wheel sensors, and you unbolt from the top. There's like in your trunk, you have to take out the padding in your trunk. It'd be probably easier, like, I don't know, easier to show you, but I mean I'm kind of too lazy to do that. But basically like you have to be in your trunk for the top of the strut, and then you got your dampener and stuff like that. But the installation is pretty easy. You could basically, I'm pretty sure it shows how to do it on YouTube. Like there's a full installation video on it that I watched. Yep, I'm YouTube mechanicking it. But yeah, that's what YouTube videos help me a lot actually. So yeah, I recommend doing that. Bro, these cars oh, it's a trailer, dude. Holy crap, people are going so slow. Like I'm doing 40 and the speed limit's 50. Like come on, man. Like you can go this slow, at least like have a courtesy and pull over. Like, I don't know if you guys can see my rear view mirror, but there's like a lot of people behind me. But yeah, if you don't follow the Instagram, go ahead and follow the Instagram. Link is in the description. It's at Brice's Builds, Brice's_builds. And I post all my pictures there. I post 2 times a week. DM me and talk to me if you want to. Basically the DMs are open. Jesus Christ. I guess I'll talk to anybody if you guys got questions about my car, about the setup, stuff like that. So I'm gonna start with future plans for the car. About the subwoofer, that subwoofer is like being put on hold. I've been kind of broke lately, I'm gonna be completely honest. I need a box for that subwoofer, and I don't know, I said like 2 weeks ago that I'll be having it, but I need to start making money. If you're in the San Diego area and you want me to detail your car, hit up my DMs on Instagram. But anyways, the future plans for the car, of course, could be the subwoofer next. Then I'm gonna focus on my window tint, and I'm gonna do probably like, I'm gonna be like everybody else with Instagram and YouTube handles. Yeah, I know. I'm probably, a lot of people are probably like watching this like, wow, you know, you copier, like your followers, stuff like that. But you know, I guess it's like a good way for me to market my car and myself if I want to be successful on social media platforms. After that, after the window tint and all that stuff, I'm probably going to be focusing on either I'm going to do cams, or I'm going to be focusing on the interior, like seats, harnesses, and a cage. ROM, they make really cool seats. Or I might do core roofs. I'm not sure yet. It really depends on how much I want to spend on that and what the theme of my car is going to be, because right now it's just black. I kind of want to do a secondary color. I was thinking about blue, not red. Red is a little bit too common. Blue or orange is probably like my top 2. But the only thing with like orange is I don't think Braun makes any orange seats. So if I was gonna do that, I'd have to do something else. And people probably think I'm so crazy for wearing a GoPro on my head, because like half the time I forget I'm wearing a GoPro, and then I see people's freaking faces when they pass me, and they're like, what the f, you know? But this traffic light takes forever, and I'm bored, and I'm hungry, and I'm kind of sick. So that's why my voice is like kind of out of whack. I'm a little bit sick right now. Sorry, classmates, when I go to the drags tomorrow. When this light turns green, I'm gonna be that guy who goes by the high school and just kind of got that loud car. I don't know if I'm gonna get any head turns, but got a couple. Oh well, I'm that guy. Oh well. Dang, the high school is packed. They're in the middle of building solar panels, and literally it's the most annoying thing ever, because you get less spots, and I'm a senior and all the juniors have their own spot to park, and they're all parked in the senior lot. Luckily everybody knows where I park, so my parking spot doesn't get taken. But that's kind of an annoying thing about the school right now. And yeah, for those that don't know, I am a senior in high school. I'm only 17, so if you guys haven't already, check out the last video, either last or the one before that, depending on when I upload the desert video. But that was when I raced TJ Hunt. That's pretty cool. Yeah, he lives kind of close to me, I'm pretty sure. I know his shop is like half an hour away from me, something like that. But anyways, yeah, but if you're in like the San Diego area and you got a YouTube, like hit me up, and I'm just like, I'm down to do some collabs. It makes things interesting. Well, usually when I'm with other people, that's when I get more views and more likes. But if you like the videos, I mean, I'm just now starting out and learning how to edit. So if you like the videos, please share with your friends. It helps me a lot. Going through here, yeah, see, that's what I mean by with the suspension being really stiff. And you got people like that. Okay, excuse me, people. Jesus Christ. And now I get to wait at another long light. Freaking fantastic. luckily for me, I am feeling better from, I think I like started to get the flu, but like I just knocked it out. I just started taking crap tons of medication, trying to stay active, get that body to fight it, because I really don't want to be sick. I hate being sick, and it's like very uncommon for me, and knock on wood, but like I'm only sick like once a year maybe. Oh, what are you doing, buddy? Okay, he had his reverse lights on, and I was like kind of scared. I was like, I just did the front end on this car, and I don't want to redo it. But hopefully the GoPro is at a good angle. I'm kind of hoping so. I try to perfect it, because I've recorded a couple videos with the GoPro to strap to my head, and the angle was so bad. It like all you saw was like my visor, and that's it. Like right here and up, just visor and everything. So I kind of fixed it, and I might get a chest mount. I'm not sure. Oh man, just like that. Oh, that could have been bad to hit. Yeah, so I'm just going to the dollar store to get some snacks for the drags, because the food there is expensive, and I'm broke, like I said, and I'd rather spend my money on car parts, in all honesty. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video. If you like, it's gonna be kind of a shorter one, but if you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. And oh my god, I keep hitting the GoPro against the thing, and I can't see where I'm parking. Great, I'm just gonna guess and hope and pray that I don't freaking, you know, I don't care if I park crooked, people could suck it. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like. If you're new, subscribe. Check out the Instagram, links in the description. Check out my sponsors, buy from them. Use code Brice02 at checkout to VoschAutoCare.com. Bonus clip. They have horrible selections here, so I'm going to the other dollar store. No, we just got the snacks. So I'm gonna get that Mountain Dew Kickstart for some caffeine in the morning. Love me some Good and Plenty's. The lemon Lay's chips. Man, I keep having brain farts. And then I have like the hot tamales. Dude, those are like ultimate snacks. And also, I had some creepy old lady follow me, and yeah, that was kind of weird. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this little bonus clip that I'm probably just gonna add in at the end of the video. But yeah, thanks for watching.